Have you ever blown your trading account? If you have, then definitely this video is for you. First thing is that you have to understand that it's normal, okay? All traders have blown their account at the beginning, most of them, like 90% of them. So it's a normal thing and you will overcome it. But there is a very important thing to understand. There are some very specific steps that will bring you from blowing your account to actually becoming consistently profitable. So if you have just blown your account or in the past, you have to watch this video because you will learn exactly which are the steps to go from blowing your account to becoming consistently profitable. And it's extremely important that you actually do follow them. So if you don't know who I am, I'm a top author on the TradingView platform, as well as running an educational program and swing trading full-time with my students. And this is what we will be speaking about in today's video. If you ever found yourself in the situation in which you have either blown your account or you are in a very severe drawdown, well, the problems at the origin of these situations can be two, okay? Either you have a strategy problem or you have a risk management problem, or even worse, you have both. Now let's start from the first possible scenario in which you have a strategy problem. So your strategy is not profitable. Now, how can you understand that you have a strategy problem? If, for example, you're not trading a proven strategy. What does it mean? A strategy that has been back tested and live tested on a demo account before being actually traded. Now, what does it mean back testing a trading strategy? If you have a strategy that is very rule based, so you have clear rules for direction, clear rules for entry, and clear rules for trade management, then you can go in the past and back test those rules and clearly have the proof that the strategy is profitable. After that, what you're supposed to be doing is going in a live market situation and live trading the strategy on a demo account to see if you can replicate those backtesting results in live market situations. So if you have done these two steps, then you have a profitable strategy. But if you have a strategy problem, then probably these are the two steps that you're missing. You have to backtest your strategy and live trade it on a demo account before start actually trading it with live money, with real money. So we already spoke about the strategy problem. If you have a strategy problem, either develop one, so by backtesting and live testing, or you can learn a strategy from somebody that already has developed a strategy and has a strategy that works. It doesn't have to be me. Anybody that has a strategy that works, you can basically learn his strategy or develop your own strategy. Then there is the second problem that you can possibly have, which is risk management. Now, if you have a risk management problem, then that in some cases is even worse than a strategy problem. Why do I say this? Because even if you have a profitable strategy, so a very good strategy, you can have the best strategy in the world. But if you don't have your risk management in place, you will blow your account even with the best strategy in the world. Why do I mean this? Because if you don't know how much you are risking before you actually take the trade, so let's say you will risk 1% per position. If you don't know that you're risking that 1% before you take the trade, what will happen is that you only need one or two bad trades, bad losing trades, and your account will be gone. Or even worse, people that are trading without stop loss. You just need a minor flash crash, like the ones that we have seen lately. You can have flash crashes, okay? They happen all the time. If you have one and you don't have a stop loss, your account is gone. If you have a news release that comes out and you don't have a stop loss, your account can be gone, okay? You can get a margin call. So if you don't have your risk management in place, even with the best strategy in the world, you will not be consistent. And what do I recommend to all of you to use as a proper risk management strategy? Just a quick reminder, make sure you comment below which are the topics or pairs you would like me to analyze or cover in the next videos. At the beginning, risk 1% per trade. And number two, have a minimum 1 to 3 risk to reward per trade. Number 3, and why do I mean 1 to 3? Why do I say that it's very important to have a 1 to 3 risk to reward? Because if you have a 1 to 3 risk to reward, you can be right 3 times out of 10 and you're still in profit. Why? Because 3 times 3 equals 9, minus 7 is 2. So even if you won only 3 trades out of 10, you're still in profit, okay? That is why I say so important. So 1% risk per trade, 1 to 3 minimum risk to reward, and go risk-free on the trade as soon as possible. What do I mean by go risk-free? I mean moving your stop loss at entry price so that you only can win on that trade as soon as the market lets you do it. So it starts moving in good, your trade starts to be in good profits and your entry is protected by structure. So these are basically the 2 suggestions that I give when it comes to identifying the problem. Either you have a strategy problem or you have a risk management problem. So very simply, how do you solve these 2 problems? Either you develop or you learn a strategy that is back-tested, live-tested, and proven profitable, or you have to learn to control your risk and emotions. If you are missing risk management, it doesn't matter how good your strategy is, because anyway you will not be profitable. But if you have only risk management without a good strategy, anyway you won't be profitable. So in order to be a consistent trader, it's extremely important that you master both. You have to have a clear strategy, rule-based and proven profitable, and you have to have your risk management in place. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, as well as going and checking out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. You first get all the rules of my strategies, so you don't have to develop them yourself, right? This is a very, very hard task. You get my rules and you also get my daily market breakdowns every day, showing you how to apply the rules with entry, stops, and take profits, as well as having me answering every question that you have each and every day. So it's a very complete program. I will invite you to go and check it out. Link is in the description, or go and check out the next video.